Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko ba Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kan wo show a video a. Mema rem to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No we notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa won sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we say be Ghana fried rice. Yewe na me taste it tastes really nice. Afen so ubetimi ayam our love one for this Christmas. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, start it. We ya mono be wash it. Uwi I be use rice cooker na dey anu na dey go rice cooker mu. Uwa chicken stock and now the beer de aka what they can e ma wonya more taste. Uwi na dey use de aka ho. What the enchen kakra aka ho. One mixing it together. No wakata so ama na abeng. Uwa ho anu wabie so no wanu mu. Aha no aye ready. Now the esi enchen. Nti be kwa vegetables no. Ye wo carrot, bell pepper, spring onion, cabbage. Wo the saucepan be si jaso. Edo kakana wo de oil kakra bi e de agumu. Wabo 2 egg aka ho. Na wa stir fry ne kakra ansa ne ato aso. Ye pese egg ne ye crumbles. Emra wa wie egg now the chop onion egumu. Wa stir fry kakra. Asa na wo de other vegetables near den egumu. O de carrots aka ho. Spring onion. Cabbage. Bell pepper. Now I stir fry it together. What the all purpose season kakra ka ho. Salt to taste. Maggi season but optional umpire de umfa nka ho. Ba opa betimi de aka ho. No akoswa ye de stir fry. Aha no aye ready. Now dey enwo na wo twe si nche no wa be hwe de agumu. No one mixing it together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. And now the dark soya aka ho no akoso aye den as stir fry ni na together ba wo ni bia on fire den nka ho ba wo bia betimi de aye den aka ho. Are you ready? Now what share? Now what serve? Yep, macho send the kind I will share video. Remember to subscribe. Now what share? Now what like it? No me notification bell no. Say the video be better one sabeka. Me here fried rice that be tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if we give it a try. You can also add it to your Christmas menu and your guests will love it. Now this our Ghana fried rice recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.